How to make Facebook posts shareable. So to make Facebook posts shareable, you have to change the audience of the post to public. So first, if you want to make your future posts to be shareable, you want to go to menu section and then tap on this gear icon, and you want to scroll down until this audience and visibility windows, and you want to choose posts. And you want to click on who can see your future posts and choose public and click save. And therefore, all of your future posts will be shareable. And second, if you just want to make one post to be shareable, you want to go back to your profile page. You want to click on this one and choose the post that you want it to be shareable. Like here, you want to choose the three dots on the right of the post and click edit privacy, and you want to choose it to be public and click done, and there you go. Therefore, this post will be shareable for everyone. And the last one, if you want to make all of your posts to be shareable, you want to go to the settings again by tapping this gear icon, and you want to scroll down until the bottom, and you want to choose activity log. You want to select your Facebook activity and scroll down and choose post. You want to choose filters, select categories, and check your posts, photos, and videos, as you are only want to make your posts to be shareable. From here, you want to scroll down until the bottom and see this sign. And this sign means that it was the first time you post on Facebook. After that, you want to scroll back until the top and click all. Then you want to select these three dots at the bottom of your screen and click change audience, and choose public. Click change. And there you go. As you can see, all of your posts right now will be shareable for everyone. And just to remind you, if you change your post to public, it means everyone on Facebook, including strangers, if they are lucky enough, they can find your post and interact with the post or even interact with you. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.